I know you spend a lot on your phone, but it's time to make money with your phone. So, welcome to my channel. I want to teach you how to make money with your phone, legit money, not, bring one and you earn 100. No. So, I want to teach you how to make money reselling data. You don't need any capital to start. So, go to www.datastation.com.ng, click on register. When you click on register, you add your username, put your full name, phone number, put a legit phone number in case you need to, recover your password and email and all of that. So once you are registered, they will tell you that it's successful, so you can go ahead and do what and log in. You log in with your username and your password. So when you're filling all your data, ensure to remember it. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password. So for me, my username is blissful notes. In case you want to add me as a referral, can see BLISSFULLNOTES. That's the username. So you can resell data of any network, sell bills, recharge your TV and all of that. That Go TV, StarTimes, DSTV, you can get them done here. So you don't need money to start this business. In fact, you can start with 0 naira. Yes, I am so certain. Once you post that you sell data, someone asks you, okay, how much? You tell them your price and they'll send you money. Use that money to make money. But if you have your own money, it will also be cool. So when you log in, it will be like this. Sometimes just click on okay to continue. Click on these 3 lines. That's like a dashboard. And you can see your wallet balance here anytime you charge. So you can buy data, you can buy airtime for any network. You can also buy data for any network. You can, utilities payment, TV and cable, your NEPA bills. You can fund your wallet. You can ask questions. You can change pin. You can log out. You can set so many things just by clicking on that 3 lines. So now I clicked on buy data because I'm already an existing user. These are the codes for you to check your data balance for MTN, Airtel, and 9 Mobile. So just click on the network. Before you buy any data, you have to choose the network now. As a Nigerian, you understand what I mean by network, MTN, 9 Mobile, and all. So for the data type, for MTN, I usually choose SME. Even if the site is down, I'll wait for SME to come up because that's my surest data type. So you put the mobile number of the person that you want to buy the data for. The 11-digit number now, your phone number here. Just put the person's phone number, then you choose your plan. When you choose plan, you can see 500 MB, 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, and all of that. You can see their prices, and also this is their price that they charge. You are not the one that will now say, okay, this is how much I want to charge. If you want to charge 1 gig 300, it's up to you. You make 42 naira. If you want to charge 350, it's up to you. So enter your password and do what and buy. But it will not be successful because this thing is just 83 naira, my wallet balance. So what you can do is to just go ahead and fund your wallet. I'm going to show you how to fund your wallet if you keep watching. If you watch this extent, why not hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let's continue. So you can, where you choose your network type, you can choose Glow and also buy the type of data. Corporate gifting, I usually buy corporate gifting for my Glow. You can also choose Airtel. You can buy SME, you can buy gifting, you can buy any type. For Airtel, I also buy SME. So for any line, like what I mean, for any network in Nigeria, you can buy data. Even 9 Mobile, that is as if they are no longer existing. I know they are still existing. You can still buy data for someone using 9 Mobile. So like I already shown you, the code for the data balance is this. Once you click on buy data and scroll up the up part, that's where you will see this. So when you click on this dashboard again, you've already seen all these things that are here. Click on dashboard. When you click on dashboard, look at what you see. Welcome to data station and all. This is where you will get your account number. Though if you also go to funding, if you also go to fund your account, in that if you click on this, you see fund account, you also see your account number. So I want to let you know that they charge 15 naira for any transfer you make to any of these accounts. They charge 15. This one is money point account. That's the one I use for my own every time. So it's better for you to, when you want to recharge, you can put like 5k, 10k if you have up to that, so that their charge is only 15 naira. Then when you are making your money, you'll be making your money and continue enjoying. So if you can also on this place check your transactions. The ones that are successful, you see successful. The ones that did not go through, you will see as it's written here, failed in red. Green, green means life, so green is telling you that it's successful, while red says it's not successful. That's in your account history, your notification and all of that. So another thing you can do here is to buy airtime. So you can buy recharge card, VTU. Then maybe if you buy 100 naira own, they will sell it for like 98 or 96 naira depending on the network. So but what I basically use this for is mostly for my data and my bills payment. Sometimes cable, for cable, that's for TV. You can also use your bank app for your bills payment in case you need your receipt. So that one, I think that one is more better. But if you want to still use this one, it's all up to you. This one is like my main data, data sub and all of that. So apart from data station, there are other sites like this 15 site. Data station is still here that you can do what? You can get data from. You can do all these things from. The only reason I chose data station is because their own price is cheaper, because I've also checked out all these other ones, but data station, their price is cheaper for me. That's why I chose it. So if you've listened to this point, thank you so much for listening. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. And if you want to add me as your referral on data station, my username is Blissful Notes. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.